I've been traveling in the bus now for a little over a week. I have been visiting my kids. I went to Brooklyn, I went to South Carolina, and I'm almost to Denver. Right now I am at a rest stop in Kansas. I am about 300 miles outside of Denver. And I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep going tonight. It is very slow and steady with the animals. Taco moves like molasses, but she still moves, and Mala wants to go. So separate walks, and right now we're having a together walk. This is kind of a lovely little rest stop. I've stayed here before. As a matter of fact, it was in one of my previous videos from my van life tour. Some rest stops are better than others, and this one's a little bit better. Listen to all those birds. We're still at this rest stop right off the highway, and there's like all these really cool birds just waking up. Okay, I'm gonna flip you. You gotta get down on the floor and go through that way. There you go. Mala, I'm gonna take you for a walk, okay? We're gonna go for a walk. Taco, go get a drink of water. We're gonna go for a walk. There you go. Me and Mala. Mala's a mess right now. She needs a haircut and a bath, huh? Pretty soon we'll get to shushies. Okay, you hang on. Listen to those birdies. Should I hooked on here? Open this up. Alright. Kitty litter is open, and there's Taco. Where you put the floor back in. Fake floor to go over the litter box that gets opened when we stop. Hey, Taco, I'll take you out next. You'll have your own private. Come in, and then Taco's gonna go out. Okay. Switch you. Now it's the gentle little Taco's turn to have a little slow crawl. All right, Taco, your turn to go in. Kitty's waiting to get out. Oh, there it is. Everybody back in. Oh, where's Maeve? Huh? Everybody looking for a snack? She didn't get a snack. There's Maybelline. There she is. Everybody's ready for a little snack, huh? Okay. Are connected to the bungees. So, like right now, Gwen is looking for a snack, so she can get a little food up there, and Maeve is also. But when we travel, they get hooked to this bungee, and then they can't reach the front, and they also can't jump out. Really not allowed to lay on the refrigerator, but just for the moment. Hungry? Let's get a snack. He wants to go out, and I think Maeve needs to go potty, so we're gonna have to open up the kitty potty. The kitty potty's open. There it is, right there for you. Hop in there so we can get it cleaned out. That's a good girl. Let's have a little privacy. All done? Right. Your turn. It's Gwen's preferred travel mode. There's Mala. Maeve is up in the cave. Just chilling, so we're off like a herd of turtles. Alright, so we're gonna drive right through it, and this is just very, very weird. There's a storm coming. I'm gonna move the bus over there. We're trying to fly into it. Oh my goodness, fly, birdie, fly! Alright, I'm gonna move the bus. Everybody ready for the storm? I think we got a good spot. You guys got a good spot under there? Yeah. Nice, we got some things to break the wind a little bit. Some trees, and that little picnic stand. We're good. People are starting to show up in the rest area now, so must be Storms are coming. This is crazy. How the hell do you drive in this?